Something I really can't stand is blanks. Right there, blanks on an otherwise fully loaded, no blank. You know, that kind of looks like a blank right there, but it isn't. Well, yeah, maybe it is. Nope. That is just a flat panel. That's slightly annoying, but at least it's not just completely blank like they took something out and didn't put it in. Well, fortunately, there's a fix for that. You can buy just the switch that has the auto start stop. It's the camera auto start stop. It's in the same switch assembly. So evidently there's 3 switches here. Plug it in, so it should light up. It's not gonna work, of course. Who wants that stupid thing to work? The part number is right there. Flatten that out for you. If you are interested, this thing is about 50 bucks. And let's figure out how to get it out so we can replace it and see how it lights up. Okay, I already kind of fooled around with this a little bit, and I do know that if you reach your fingers right back here and just pull, and pull. Ow, it's hot as shit. Go. Probably be easier if we use some pry tools for this, but it does seem okay. We're gonna need a pry tool right here because you really, well, maybe you can. We need pry tool for that. This will come off with your fingers, but to get this off, we need this pry tool kit. Is priceless. It's actually like 20 bucks, I think. It's very cheap on Amazon, but I'll put the link down below. It's awesome. We're going to use this big wide one right here, and then we're going to let's see, I'm going to fool with this a little bit, figure out how it pops out without breaking anything. All right, all you do is stick this tool right in here and pull straight out. Exactly what I was trying to do over here, but I didn't want to force it. You don't really need any. There we go, there's the top one. And you don't need any tape or anything. And you just pop it. And it comes right out. And here's these little clips, and nothing broke, nothing scratched. Unbelievably simple. Thank God, by the way, nothing broke, nothing scratched, but that is how you pry that out. And then we've got 2 screws here to remove, and this panel here should pull away so we can access this. Oh, there we go. These 2 screws here should pull away this panel once it's removed, and we'll have access to the screws. We'll see. These are 7mm, if you're wondering.
And I'll do a little voiceover here because you don't need to remove these. The rest of the screws to get this entire frame off are way under there, and I'll show you a simpler way, so don't bother removing those.
All right, I'll show you how I did this. You need one of these, just a little pick tool, and if you look at the original, or you look at the switch out, it's got these 2 little tabs on it, one right here and one right here. So what you can do without taking this off, because frankly I'm not sure how to get that off, but if you just reach the pick down in on either side and you reach in and you twist it this way and pop it out, and then twist it, stick it in here and twist it this way and pop it out, it comes right out. There's plenty of access. I'm going to shut the car off so that we can unplug it and plug it back in, plug the new one back in with the thing on it, and let's see what happens here. Okay. I need 2 hands. Hold on. Right here, there's a little tab. See it? Right under my fingernail? Right there, it's a little tab. So you just push that tab in, and it'll That'll unplug. Plug the new one in. Well, you get the idea. You plug the new one in. I need 2 hands. Okay, so I plugged the new one in, and now we have this. You press it and nothing happens. You press the camera and it goes to camera mode. Totally works. But this is totally disconnected. Now, it'll be interesting to see if it lights up. Can't really tell, I don't think. Hold on, let's see. I can't tell. I can't tell. We'll have to look at it at night and see if it lights up. I'm going to show you this part though. You just literally push it right back in. Done. That unbelievably simple, 50 bucks. And there's no blank. Oh, there we go. No blank. I love not having a blank there. I hated that.
All right, I got rid of all the air conditioning blowing and the background sound from this, and I wanted to just talk a little bit more about this tool and how you use it. So you've got to get your head all the way up against the glass so you're looking directly down on these 2 little tabs. You can see them. I didn't show it very good in the camera. But what you'll do is once you can see those 2 little tabs, you're going to stick this right down in there against the edge of the tab and then twist it so that you're pushing the tab in against the body of the switch and it'll pop out. You'll get it to pop out like just maybe a mil on one side and then very carefully go over and pop the other side, and then you'll be able to push the switch from the back with the tool and it'll come out far enough where you can grab it with your fingers. So I just wanted to give you a little extra explanation there because it's really intuitive once you're into it. But originally I didn't really give you a very good explanation.
There we go. All back together. Nothing broken, nothing scratched. I love it. We'll come out here tonight and see if that thing lights up. All right. It's not really dark, but it's dark enough. Moment of truth. Does it light up? And it does light up. It's so great. That little off is not going to come on and off, but it lights up like it should. It's no longer a blank, and I have balance in my universe. So, thanks so much for watching. As always, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.